Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we are going to discuss about a laptop. Did you guys know what is the meaning of laptop?
No, sir.
So I need to explain that.
Alright.
Okay. Laptop is a portable computer that small if light, has a integrate component. Okay. Now I will going to explain the component outside of this laptop.
Okay. The first one is the top view of laptop. This is a panel LED. Okay. This is Wi-Fi status LED. This is the power on status LED. This one is battery charging status LED, and this one is hard drive status LED. Okay, now we move to the front view of laptop. Here we have a microphone port. We have a speaker in right here, beside here and here. And now in the right side of this laptop have a AC power connector. We have two USB port, and we also have Ethernet port, and we have RJ11 port, and we have CD-ROM drive. Okay, we move to the left side of laptop. Okay, this is a PC card slot, memory stick in right here, and we have USB port, video port, VGA port. We have a ventilation grill and security keyhole. Okay, in the bottom of laptop we have a battery latch. We have a RAM access panel, hard drive access panel, wireless NIC access panel. Okay, before we remove the component, we need to have a tools such as Phillips screwdriver, and we also need a screw compartment. The first thing that we need to do to make sure that the component in the laptop is powered off.